everyone! We're gonna play some wonderful Trolls puzzles today. Guess who is the troll on our first puzzle? It's Poppy. Hello, Poppy. Are you looking for Branch? Branch is on our second puzzle. DJsuki's hair, her green little nose. Guydiamond, Poppy, Branch, DJsuki, Smudge. They are having a big hug. Everybody gets squashed. On our third puzzle, we have got really special pictures because they're not trolls. They are... Yes! They are sweet Bergen Bridget and the silly Bergen Prince. They are dancing. This is our fourth puzzle. Beautiful bright purple color. It's Creek. It's Creek, Poppy and Branch. This is our fifth puzzle. We have got the very happy Poppy again. Look her beautiful smiling face. Poppy is dancing. Look, all these little trolls follow her. They are so happy. Now this is our last puzzle for today. We have got all these cute trolls. Look, Poppy is here. Branch, DJsuki, Satin&Chenille, Smudge, Cooper is there, Biggie, Guydiamond. Wonderful! We have got so many trolls on this puzzle. They are all singing and dancing. Thanks for watching. I wish you enjoyed the Trolls puzzle today. Don't forget, subscribe my channel or visit my channel for more Trolls puzzles, Smurfs puzzles, Peppa Pig's puzzles, Disney Princess puzzles. There's a lot of fun puzzles coming. See you soon!